Hey guys, working hard at the restore. So I don't know if you can see up there, an Avalon came in. White Lady Delta motor, white blades. Let me know if anybody's interested in it. This Black Minka came in. Another DC. Speaking of SMCs, this new in the box F50U came in. Let me know if anybody's interested in that. And everything else is out for sale. These two little huggers are still there. This I think we put out last week. All this stuff is still here. That Sonica came in today. Ooh, looks like I forgot to price it. You put a $15 sticker on there. Walmart's still here. Emerson came in today. Casablanca's still here. Emerson came in today. Hunter's still here. I think everything on this side. Oh, somebody must have bought a fan because there's a ladder there. Okay, I'm gonna go print a sign for the Casablanca and price that Sonica. This cool lamp is still here too. Thanks for watching.